Today we're going to be doing a science experiment. Have you ever wondered what a volcano does? Well, here you can do it safely and fun. So here we have our volcano made from Play-Doh.
Mom, you ready?
Not very good. We got the baking soda
It's
in.
happening now.
Over here, it looks like blood. What looks like blood is actually red dyed vinegar. And put it, and Dad, put it in. Up.
From the mountains of Pompeii.
Mom's
We're not
coming.
waiting for you.
Hi, Mom. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
Ready?
This is, I think this.
Are you ready?
Go.
It's going in.
Whoa! It's
It looks so
smoke.
much
Look at the
like
bubbling.
lava.
Cool, guys.
Put in even more. Put it all in. More. Oh wow.
Hot red lava.
Look at the bubbles. Look at the lava smoking.
You could even
I
see
love the
the
pink
smoke.
volcano though. What was that
Done.
show that we watched? The
Done.
Lava
Done.
Zombie or something?
Look at all the smoke. Look at the smoke. Look at the smoke coming out of it. See the smoke?
That's
Done.
the powder.
Done.
Dun,
Why
dun,
did Why did I do that a second time?
dun, dun, dun.
Say goodbye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Say bye, Angelina.
Bye.
Say bye, Dad.
Bye.
Say bye, Mom.
Hot out here. Bye.
Good. Bye.
Done?